If you have low back issues or you have abdominal diastasis, which means that your abdominals are separated, this is a great workout for you. It is for anyone who wants to work on their core without doing a lot of flexion in the spine. So it's great for those with low back issues or who've had low back surgery who are coming back from it. So I hope you enjoy it. Let's get to work. All right, you all have been asking for exercises for those of you who have diastasis recti, which means that your abdominals right here are separated. So the worst exercises for you all to do are crunches. Because of those abdominals being separated, when you crunch up, all you're doing is opening them and splitting it more. So I'm here to give you some exercises to help with that. The whole idea is you want to get them closed up. So, first exercise, you're just laying flat on the floor. It's called a tummy tuck, and all you're going to do is just pull that belly button in. So think of a vacuum, and you're sucking everything in, vacuum it in, hold it, and then you're going to release. Okay? While you're doing that, breathe. Always, through every exercise, breathe. So tummy tuck, pull it in, squeeze, 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 tighten, vacuum it in, hold for about 10 to 30 seconds. That's how long you want to hold it. And then release it. Do not hold your breath. Hold this, not your breath. Again, exhale, vacuum in that stomach, pull everything in, hold it, about 10 seconds, and release. We're only going to do 2 more. Exhale, tummy tuck, hold, keep it tight, hold about 10 seconds, and then as you do it, those 10 seconds become 20, release, 30, and so on. Last time, deep breath, tummy tuck, pull it all in, tighten everything up, vacuum in that stomach, hold it for about 10 seconds, and release. Good job. Next is a pelvic squeeze. That pelvic squeeze is also known as Kegel exercises, and that is where, like if you need to pee, you're stopping yourself from peeing. So just laying here, you're going to tighten everything up, tighten up all those muscles down below, underneath the top, and hold it, and again, release. Same idea. Take a deep breath, exhale, tighten. Again, we're going to hold it for 10 seconds. Squeeze, pull it in, and release. And do 3 more of those. Pelvic squeeze. Stop that pee, tighten, stop it, squeeze. Keep breathing, just hold it tight, and release. Good. 2 more. Tighten and squeeze. Breathe, holding it tight. 10 seconds. And release. Last one. Breathe, squeeze it off, tighten it up, hold it there, keep breathing. Good. And release. Okay, so we're going from a pelvic squeeze to a pelvic tilt. When I tilt, I'm going to push my belly button down into the floor and tilt my pelvis forward. Holding that, and then release that. Okay? So again, 10 seconds, we're going to do that. Take a deep breath, exhale, tilt it. So the best way I describe this is when you release, you have a lumbar curve in your spine, and release. So what I'm doing is I'm pushing my back, low back, pulling the pelvis in, and taking that lumbar curve out of my spine. Okay? So your bottom kind of rolls in a little bit, and now your low back really presses and pushes into the floor. And release. That's 2. Take a deep breath, exhale. pelvis into the floor. Push it in, push it in. For 10 seconds. Release. That's 3. You do 2 more. Pelvic tilt. So push that lumbar curve out of your spine and just push the pelvis in. Holding it there. Trying to close up those muscles. Close up that gap between the muscles. And release. Last time. Pelvic tilt. Breathe. Keeping it tight. You're still breathing. Continue to breathe. And relax. Good job. All right, here is another one. You're going to bring the legs up. Now those legs are up. You're going to take your hands and you're going to push against it. Okay? We're going to hold this for 10 seconds again. So I'm pulling my legs in. I'm pushing my hands out and just give yourself some resistance. Go. Push, push, push. Resist. Keep the shoulders dropped. You're just giving yourself resistance. And relax. That's 1. Do it again. Push against the hands. Pulling the knees in. Pushing the hands away. Good. And relax. Now do not let your back arch up off the floor. Make sure that back stays pressed into the floor. Again, go. Push. And you might see me shaking. So you don't have to push too hard. Super hard or too hard. You don't have to go very, very hard. Relax. Make sure as you're doing this, you're pressing that low back in the floor. Exhale. 10 seconds. Low back presses in the floor. Belly button is pulled in. Press, press, press. Relax. 1 more time. Deep breath. And push. Give yourself some resistance. Press that belly button in. Push the low back into the floor. Keep going. Good. Breathe. And relax. That's it. Nice. All right. So, next one. We're still laying on our back. The next one we're going to do is called a toe tap. So, I'm going to lift my legs up, keeping the back into the floor. Just tap the toe down, back to the center, other toe down, and back to center. So you exhale. Lift. Exhale and lift. Exhale, lift. Exhale, lift. Keep that belly button pulled in. Keep the abs tight. Now, if this hurts, pull it in a little farther. I want to make sure that back is flush and flat against the floor. Toe tap. Toe tap. One thing you can do while you're doing these exercises, put your hands there. If you feel them opening up, you feel something start to stick out of that area, let that exercise go. Okay? That's not one for you. But what you want to feel is you want to feel those muscles closing in. So you tap down and exhale. Tap down and exhale. Let's go for 4 more. 3, 2, last one. Good job. All right, we've been here for a while, so what we're going to do now is just a hip lift. So pull those hips up, straight to the ceiling, and back down. Good. We're doing 10 of these. When you come down, we're not resting, we're not relaxing. We're just tapping the floor, going straight back up. Exhale, and down. Exhale, and down. Exhale, down. Exhale, down. Good. Now while you're here, you want to make sure your hips are in line with your knees. Your legs should not be way outside. Your legs should be in a straight line. Shoulders, hips, knees. 4 more. Slowly down. Squeeze up. 3. Slow down. Belly button pulled in. 2. Release. Last one. Hold it. Let's hold this for 10 seconds. Squeeze that belly button in. Squeeze the glutes. Everything's nice and tight. In, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And down. Good job. All right, I'm going to get up. Now, another thing that separates them is coming all the way up like a sit-up. So whenever you get up, you either need to roll over to the side or use your leg, curve in that spine, and get up that way. Then it's not putting more stress on the abs, okay? So now up, I'm going to all fours and cat and cow. Now, even though we're on all fours, we're going to pull that belly button in. So be aware of how your position is. Pull the belly button in, hands underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips. Round your back, pull it all in, and flatten it out. When you flatten it out, that does not mean that you let those muscles go. Okay? So the abs still stay tight. You're just flattening the back out. Round it, exhale, and flatten the back out. Exhale, round it, flatten the back out. Exhale, round it, flatten the back out. One more time. Exhale, round it, flatten the back out. Good job. Coming back up. One thing you definitely want to avoid is a regular plank. Okay? A regular plank puts you in a position where gravity is pulling on you and pulling on those abs. So, instead of a regular plank, your alternative is a side plank. You can take it to the knee or on your foot. Starting off, start with the knee. Okay? So we're going to hold this side plank for 20 seconds and then we'll switch sides. Alright? Chest is open. You just kind of squeeze and lift that hip. Try to get your body as straight as possible. Breathing. Don't hold your breath. Hold that side plank. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Down. Switch sides. Take it to a side plank. I'm doing it on my knee. Kneeling side plank. Elbows right underneath my shoulder. We're going to hold this for 20 seconds. Other leg is straight out. And I'm lifted. And breathe the whole time, keeping it nice and tight. Almost there. 3, 2, and 1. Good. All right. I'm going to add one more to this and then we are done. Deep belly breathing. You can sit with your legs out, across, whatever makes you feel more comfortable. But I just want you to concentrate on belly breathing. So as you inhale, expand the chest, expand everything, and then as you exhale, vacuum in that stomach again. Exhale all the air out. Pull everything together. Suck it all in. Then deep breath. And deep belly breathing. Exhale all the air. And deep breath. And exhale. Notice as I exhale, how I start to round my back. I pull my belly button in. I see my spine. Make my spine into a C. And then back up. That's 4. Exhale. Inhale. 5. We're doing 10 of these and we're going to be done. 6. 7. 8. Deep breath. Fill up the lungs. Exhale. 9. Last one. And 10. Good. And up. Good job. All right, so that's just a few exercises. I'll make a video on maybe some more exercises later, but this is something to get you started, something to help you out. So when Alan has you doing an ab workout, these are all these exercises that you can combine together and do. I will also make a PDF of it, giving you how many sets, how many reps, and that kind of thing. You guys did a great job. Thank you for joining me. Have a good one. Hey guys, I hope you liked the workout. Remember, watching it is not doing it, so I hope you actually got down on the floor and did the workout. If you liked it, comment below. And for more workouts like this, like and subscribe to our channel. See ya.